Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed every day.
Guys, welcome to High Schooner Podcast with Mikaso Milan. I welcome you to this platform. It's another edition. It's the fourth episode. So today, we're in the studio, from the studio of High Schooner Podcast. Let's check our checklist. Of course, our lighters, the special High Schooner lighter is ready, and the auxiliary lighter supporter. We have our hash train is ready, and the stoner itself. Of course, I'll be stoning. If you're a stoner, you know how it is. Yes, this is cheese, original. You know what it is, man. If you're a stoner out there, shout out to you. In order to cool the temperature down, very important, very important. And we have our computer for our database, of course. So today, nothing much. Shout out to you niggas. Before you say, I don't forget myself. I still remain Mikaso Milan. So now God will make you thank God. So whatever you do in the beginning of anything, you need to thank God. God is the ultimate, is the number one. You have to fear Him, you have to fear God. So now so it be. We will enter inside the platform. This shit is bad, you know. I bought this shit today from a place. All this sneak is there, you know. I bought it for 300 grand, you know. What's written on it? Tapi, 2 kg. You can see it. Yes, tapi. And it's really, really nice. You see that? That's original shit, you know. You see it very well. Yeah. After you squeeze it, you squash it, it has some purple and green color, which is very nice. So now so the bill, you don't get the bill password, maybe they tell God to, now God to, yeah, don't end, yeah, don't end the game. Find you, brah. Greet you, brah. Give you, brah. Help you, brah. Assist you, bro. You know, get the big pass. And so it be. Some people you do good for them, they will forget. Some not will forget. And so like you, we suffer the move the thank God. Not be at the end. So as we talk now, people they move, people they quench, they burn people they discharge. Some people go ask you for money. Hey, bro, give me this money or I will give you 2 days time. This go rich now. They not give you money. From 2 days go turn to 2 weeks. 2 weeks go turn to 2 months. 2 months go turn to 2 years. 2 years go turn to forever. If you ask them, I say 2 weeks. If you ask them for that 2 weeks now, they come like say you be bad person. And because you take them for waiting you talk. I don't know. My God, make we thank God. Make we thank God. You don't know. This life is deeper than the way you think. Life is deeper than deeper life. Very, very deep. Whatever you do out there, you just gotta reduce your economy, man. Just gotta reduce your economy. You understand? I don't like this one, I don't like that one, I don't like this one, I don't like that one. Well, it's life. We all have our choice. Choose your crew, choose your entourage. That's what it be. We don't show. just got to give glory to God, whatever you do. You get it? So that is how it is. That is how it is. That is how it is. Do good, let good follow you. Follow your heart, follow your mind. Not get the big pass. Streets. You go federal university, you go whatever university. Brother, you got to graduate from street university. There's what we call street university. If you like, you are an accountant, you are any position. You graduate from Harvard University, you graduate from Vit University, you graduate from the highest university in the world. If you did not graduate from street university, you will still be a maga. Not be joke, not be joke. Everybody na maga. If you not maga for this side, you go maga for that side. If you not maga for that side, you go maga for this. If you not maga for this, you go maga. You must maga, you must fall. Nobody will say you never fall maga. They never say they never chop money. Now that all men don't fall. And that one will come make you wise. Those are street university. University of life. Since you just go school, you carry certificates, I don't graduate, I'll be all those things. You only go school, maybe you for take lessons for that side, take the 2 things ago. But you still need to come bookie for street bookie. What you mean? You still have to come to street university. You still have to come and graduate. Pay dues. All those money you lost during those times, you do things and all those things. Those are the money you pay for street university. Those are the school fees you pay. Then by the time you now graduate, it will be difficult. You will now be emeritus, professor emeritus inside street. Street is wide. We have normal market, general market, government market, everybody market that people go to. There's black market. Black market. That is street university. That is street market. I mean, black market, street market. If the original price is 1K in the normal market, by black market, you will see it at the rate of 700, 800, 600, 500. Depends on the grade, how the thing is. Streets. I don't believe they can put street as a course in school, in secondary school, in tertiary school, universities. Street. How to be wise. Wisdom. Not about somewhere you read for book. The wisdom we go give you naturally is different from the one we receive for book and all those things. And the one we conceive from streets, will they take guide you, will they take do you this one, will they take lie for your head, will they take put things, will they take suspect you, will they take arrest you, will they take drag you up and down, will they take follow you, everything, will they take collect your money, will they take beat you, take maga you, put you for anything. Streets. Excuse me, sorry. Street is wide. You have to wise up in the streets. You get it? Streets. Graduated from university and everything. Brother, certificate they say everything. You gotta enter streets. You gotta be your own self boss. You gotta be a boss of yourself. So you can't work for one person every time they pay you how much. We're not saying you not work home. Brother, go work home. Because the street is not for everybody though. Since it's not for everybody, those in the street are looking for those that they told they don't want the streets. Street. I tell you, man, it's just God, man. God give God the glory. God give God the glory. Nigeria make us wise though. I throw a salute. All Nigeria seeds all over the world. Right from South Africa here down to America, to Canada, to Dubai, to Australia, to China, to everywhere, to the world. I throw salute for you. Una done, una correct, una ripe. Sheshereshe, Iban. With the cost Nigeria, with the cost Nigeria. But other country, they blend us. Nigeria had made us to be like a seed that whichever soil anybody, any Nigerian citizen land on, it must germinate. Even the people who did that place, even if they are not seeing food to eat, even if it's the poorest country, but if a Nigerian man goes there, he will succeed. Why? It's because of home where we come from. How the economy has blended us, has taught us how to be wise, how to hustle for yourself, how to be self-sufficient, how to organize yourself, how to construct yourself in terms of abundance, in terms of nothing. That country, everything did there. God bless the country. Country that you will eat fruit, throw the seed on the ground, the seed will germinate. So are the people. If you like children, cut their head, cut their leg, put them for sale. From inside say they go dey germinate, they go dey make contact because it's just brain God are giving them. You have to ask them, brother, how much they do am? Na God. Na so it be. That's why when we enter any place, now after being in a place like that, as a Nigerian Global, a place to source everything for yourself, you provide your whole road, you provide your electricity, you provide your whole water, you provide your whole basic amenities, things that government was supposed to give to you, just like South Africa here. Then, when you move out of such place and you enter a place that already have all these things, everything is already making. It's just for you to carry cup, press button, do this. You start making money. When I mean press button, it doesn't mean that button. There are many buttons. Business, contact. Learn how to make contact. Learn how to talk to people. Learn how to approach bigger entities. Don't be locked in your mentality. Don't have self. Don't be egoistical or don't be proud. Bring down your ego. Come at it. Don't be resentful. Don't do anything. Feel free. Use your sense. You get it? Approach people. You can go to a country with nothing. Just maybe you have like 100 rands or $100 with you. When you get there, that same day you make money. It's your sense. It's not like you rob people. It's how you interact. Look, now, when you enter the ground, you don't calculate now. Nigerian guys, you know they carry last to twirly. I respect. You know they carry last. Nigeria don't blend us. We don't see any ground they throw up, they germinate. If my life, when they go through for desert, we go create oases, water will come out. That's Nigeria for you. Igbo men, those men, they are the engine room of that country. They are business people, businessmen. I tell you, no country in the world you will not find an Igbo man. You say Nigeria, but now. You're Biafran. I tell you, based on the bad people, they don't make that country good country will go place anyhow. They don't spoil them, they don't fire. That's so you be leave that country matter, you talk that country matter, you talk for all your life, for centuries. Find some music to do. So you can't follow your mind to go there listening to people, say go there advise you go this side, advise you go that side. Follow your mind, you got to follow your heart. Follow your heart, man. Don't waste time. Just thank God So we are talking now, things are happening every seconds. Every seconds. Every seconds, man. God is great. God is great. Nobody never see black and blue. All men don't see black and blue. No, you man. Brother, that is how it is. So I greet you all in the name of God. Check me. I hear. This is Face Alone, my nigga. If you know Face from Nigeria, is a big singer. Face, Two-Face and Blackface. They were TV, they were the PlayStation boys in Nigeria. PlayStation boy, you know, yeah. Somebody say, nah, everybody break up. This one did it, this one did it, this one did it. Two-Face, Baba, respect. Power, throw it for you, man. The seven spirit of God is with you. I throw it salute. Then Face, this guy, this nigga. These are men, they deserve award, heavy award. But based on wetin God dey sup now, we no dey see them again. We no dey hear their small come dey too dey come out like that again. Man, na so e be, brother. Na so e be. If you dey there, if you dey on top, brother, you gats quick do your things and read yourself, balance yourself, because the younger generation dey come. The billionaire today we wan take over, they never born am. Mr. Elohim will be the greatest, richest man in the world today now. If they talk as if he will be the richest man, will be great, nobody will believe now. The billionaire will want to rule this world, will change this earth, where people start to build house for sky. House, they will build house, go build them for sky, will be floats for air. They never born them. They are yet to come. So our time, so if you just say today you get money, you reach to that brother. Time dey come, that money you see, you no get anything again. People wey dey during the time of 1960, 90 something, 90 euros, 90. If you look at the house today, they build the best house, but their mansion today now is nothing like. It just look like a house of what's it called, earthworm, Wikolu. Now they destroyed. My brother, you gotta invest in humanity. Help your brother, help your sister. Forgive. If you forgive person finish, forget. I don't say they have to forget, but live on the life. Just be wise then as a serpent. So we bless God, bro. We bless God. So I say you. Follow your mind, you are the best God for yourself, man. There is God. You say God, not the God, they respect. God will make it white sunshine. Chilling right here. Life goes on. Yes, so I did tell you, not so it be, not so it be, yeah, ooh-wee. I throw a salute for you. I see you. Respect you, man. Boom. Bombo class. Boy, boom. Unukunut. That it is, man. You gotta run things. You gotta be branded. Come on in. Whoa. My God, move. Time wait for no man. It's rolling every day. rolling. It's rolling, man. You gotta roll alongside with it. Those dollars. Learn how to jump on the movie train with no hindrance, with positivity. Forward. Don't stab anybody. Live your own life.